my money, run it up. Do not care, don't give a fuck about what you say. Kill these beats, don't come to play. Happy I woke up today. Happy that I'm getting paid.
Tryna ride him out, we got you stuck. Don't be mad at me cause we suck. Get to the mall, purchase some runs. Every time I hop on this track, I give it my all. Every way that I happen, got a stick in it. Like the army, big body, I sit in it. I'ma pull up on my shoe like, you finna shoot at you like. They tryna tell us some more like, okay. Man, this beat make me dance like, oh. Yeah, we had like really play. Yeah, girl, watching on my story. She love me, I think she adore me. I like her, I think she adore me. She look at me and she love me, yeah. Finna hop up and I check her jeans, yeah, on me, yeah. If they wanna show something, they gon' get hit with magazines, yeah. We spun up block, you like the body on the city, yeah. But that's just how it be, yeah, boy.
Fuck it, I'm finna go get it in my bag. I get first, y'all, you get last. Walking that big and bitch, I laugh, yeah. Running the cool, we ain't wearing a mask. Why'd you hating on me, get a bag? You wanna be me, you still in my swag. Shut the fuck up for you left to the cash. I got a chopper in here, got a chopper, my bro got a chopper, we letting it hit. I'm back in action, I got a new chopper. We said that nigga, we letting it rip. I pop that boy like zip. Had to tell my fans, open up that pit. I'm smoking that gas, I'm buying new shit. But I hop on the plane, just take a little trip, okay?
Hey, CGM, where you at?
Hell yeah.
Let me just kind of talk what I'm looking for here. So obviously on the day chart, okay, when you go out to the day chart, all right, you could see kind of what US 30 has been doing. The thing that I see here is that US 30 has not broke this 500 zone, this 34,100, okay? This 34,100 has not been broke. And what I mean by that is it has not closed above, okay? So again, we're obviously pushing on that level, okay? I think that if we break above and we close above, I feel like we continue to move up. But on the day chart, we are still in a downtrend. We are below this 20, we are below this 50, and we're even below the 200, okay? We're obviously trying to make some moves up, but you know, we obviously know what's going on in the world. So again, I'm looking for sells, so again, the first thing that I do is I really establish my direction. And again, I don't second guess myself. I just simply say, what am I looking for? Am I looking for sells or am I looking for buys? And I make the decision of I'm looking for sells, okay? Obviously, if you look at the 4 hour, okay, one of the things that I like to see is I like to see some if I'm gonna look for buys, for example, okay, I want to see consistency over these EMAs here, and I'd like to see a cross. Okay, a cross is definitely a termination that we're obviously changing direction. So I just don't see enough of that. And like I said, we saw it come over here, we saw it come over here, and it fell. We saw it come up over here and drop. Okay. So again, also understand that there are stop losses right here, and there's stop losses right here. Okay. So individuals that entered on this reversal here, they put their stop loss right here. So what did she do this morning? She came and picked those up, and that's literally liquidity. Okay. That's literally liquidity. So she came up, she made a new high. Okay. And now I think that we're going to continue to fall, you know. And then on the hour, you'll see that we're just barely over again. We're barely over again. So again, look, we came up here, we had a brief above, and that's why, again, like, let's not be faked out by what she's doing. Okay. We haven't had a huge rage through that zone and a consistent upswing. Okay. So I definitely don't want to be faked out by thinking that she's going up. Okay. And as you can see here, look, we went up here. Okay. We were above, and then what did she do? She dropped. Okay. And again, if you look at where she's at right now, she has not broke above that zone. Look at this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. She peaked above, but she came back down. She did not close above. So this 34,100, okay, she has not broke above that 34,100. Okay, what is this? Since February 21st. Okay. So again, understanding that, guys, understanding where she's been and again, how long ago. Okay. So February 21st was the last time that she was up here. Okay. Since February 21st, she's been down here. She's obviously looking at making a break. But again, like, nothing has really changed in the economy. Like, obviously we're coming out of the COVID situation, which is great, but we're obviously on the brink of a war. So again, like, I don't see us breaking this zone. And again, this is just my personal analysis of really what's going on. I see her wanting to peak, and I see the buyers wanting to, but again, I just don't think that the economy is strong enough to hold that break. And so again, I see us coming down. And again, as you can see, look at this big consolidation. She's literally been consolidating in between here, in between the 34,100 and the 33,200, 32,150 mark. Okay. So again, just understanding where she's at. All right. So perfect. So I hope that helps, guys, just as far as just my analysis, as far as what we're looking at. So again, like, anything above 34,100, I just don't see us breaking and going above. And again, like I said, the last time that we did that was around February 21st. Okay. And again, this hour chart really shows that. It shows, you know, just how we've tapped, and look how we've come back. We've retested. We've retested, and we retested again this morning. Okay. And again, what she did is she came after liquidity. She came and picked up those stop losses. Okay. That's what she did. All right. So cool. Now we go down to the 15. Okay. We had a huge, you know, we had some movement up this morning. Okay. But again, I'm just going to mark this off, and I'm going to tell you exactly, like, really, we're going to look at breakouts, and we're going to look at retests. Okay. So this is the area right here. And again, I'm not even going to use a bank zone. I'm literally just going off of the bodies. Okay. This is where she's consolidating. Okay. So for the last 15, 30, 45, an hour, 15 minutes, she's been in this zone. Okay. Last hour, 15 minutes, she's been in this zone. Okay. Last hour, 15 minutes, she's been in this zone. Okay. So again, what we could say is if she closes, okay, below this 34,031, great area. Okay. And again, if we're looking for sells, I would look at her filling half of this wick here. Okay. And again, I'm going to use a red, just like I did yesterday. Okay, let's go here. All right, so this is the area. And again, if you're not using currency.com on TradingView, okay, your numbers are going to be way off. All right, so this Owanda right here is way off. This Owanda, it's about, gosh, it's about 20 points off. Okay, so I use this here, this currency.com. Okay, and again, how you find that is obviously just going up here, adding symbol, finding US 30. Currency.com is the broker. Okay, that you want to obviously use. And on MetaTrader, that is very, very close. Okay, so again, that's what you want to definitely look at. All right, perfect. All right, so like I said, what I'm looking at is I'm looking for her to retest back to this 0.050. You know what? Let's just make this a bank zone. Okay, let's just make this a bank zone. I want her to retest this 34.050. 050 is my retest to go in. Okay, and again, she's pulling pretty hard. And again, all I've simply done is I literally have marked up what she's done over the last hour, 15 minutes. Okay, so again, she came up here, she wicked up, did not close above. Okay, she then came down here, did not close below, came up. Okay, she tried to fake us out. She did close above here, but then she came back down. She opened up, said, hey, I'm moving, fake out, came all the way back down. Okay, came back down here. Okay, then she shot up again, hit this 34.100. This 34.100, I'm telling you, is such a strong zone. And those that kind of came in late, I'm going to show you what I mean on the hour chart. Okay, on the hour chart, I'm going to show you how strong that 34.100 zone is. Look at this 34.100. Okay, look at this. One came up here. Look at this. She's retested this thing. She has not broken this zone. Okay, she has not been up above that zone since February 21st. Okay, so again, we have to ask ourselves, where's the economy right now? Has anything changed? Okay, are we in any better situation for her to start making moves up? Okay, because again, we're talking about US 30. We're talking about the US economy. Okay, and so again, the answer is, for me anyway, again, you may have a different, philosophy, or you may have a different analysis, but my analysis is no, we're not. Okay, we're hitting it. We obviously want to move. We obviously want to make some moves as an economy, but we're just not ready yet. Okay. All right, let's get into some trades here. All right, so on the 15 here, okay, what we want to do, we got 6 minutes left. Let's pull up to this this wick here, 34.019, 34.019, getting ready to go in for a sell. 34.019, get ready to go in for a sell. And then she's going to come back and she's going to fill the rest of the wick. 34.019, if she comes up. 34.019. Okay, 34.019. Okay, 34.019. She's obviously bouncing off of this bank zone here. She's getting into this wick here. Okay, she's getting into this wick. She has to break this wick. This is kind of her next level, but also keep in mind that there's just a lot of traffic. Like you got this wick here. So again, she's going to bounce. I don't know that we're really going to get any really clean breaks. So again, just get that finger ready. We're looking at 419. 419. We're looking at the last, 019. We're looking at the last 3 digits here. Okay, we're looking at the last 3 digits here. We are on US 30, US 30, US 30 scalp session. Okay. All right, guys, go in. Get in. Boom. You should be out. You should be out. You should be out. Did you get in and out? In and out? In and out? You should be out. You guys should be out. Good job. Let's go. 1-0. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. 1-0, baby. 1-0. LP, US 30. US 30. US 30. Okay. So again, what we're looking at in the next 3 minutes is I want her to break. I want her to break this 3400. 3400, because keep in mind here, okay, I have this 34031 marked up because look, that is the last break zone here. Okay, look, she came here, came down, went up, came, and look, this last candle's broke it. She broke that zone. Okay, which means that we're moving down. We're moving on to the next zone. Okay, the next zone we're looking at, look what she's doing here. She's wicking off of this green. She's wicking off of this green wick here. Okay, so again, if she breaks below this 000 area, we are looking for a sell. We are looking for a sell in the next 2 minutes. In the next 2 minutes, 2 minutes 30 seconds, we're looking for the opening of that next candle. Be ready on the opening of that next candle. Okay, and again, let's see what she does here. Let's see if she does, because she obviously has a big wick down here. And keep in mind that she's been consolidating in and out of this area. So is she going to close above? Is she going to close above this 4031 like she did here, like she did here, like she did here? Or is she going to give us that break? Is she going to break this wick? Okay, because again, here's the body, but here's the wick that she needs to get past. Okay, this wick right here, that's where she needs to break and close below. If she break and closes below that, we're going down. We're going down to this next level here. Okay, so again, break and close below this 4018, we're in good shape. All right, so let's get ready. Get ready on this minute. We have a minute left on this candle. We have a minute 20 left on this candle. We should be 1-0 right now. 1-0, guys. Okay. Anything below 340, retest above 34020. Okay. Or okay, if she comes up above that 020, take for a sell. 020, take for a sell. Okay, but we're taking the sell on the open of this next candle. Okay, so we're doing one of two things. We're taking the retest at 34020, or we're taking the breakout of in 6 seconds. In 6 seconds, get ready to push sell. 6 seconds, get ready to push sell. Boom, we're in. Get in. You should have got out. You should have got out. 2-0. Let's go. 2-0. Let's go. You should be out. 2-0. Let's go. Okay. So now we're looking for a retest. We're looking for a retest We're looking for a retest. And I would say, honestly, if she's going to give us a wick, I want a retest at that 34, like between 019, 019 and 031. Okay. 019 to 031. Retest zone. Okay, because she's got to breathe. Okay, she's got to breathe right now. She has to breathe. She's coming back up. And actually, we're going to come down a little bit further. We're going to come down a little bit further. You know what? This 20 piece right here. So we're looking at actually 10 piece here. If she comes back to this 400 zone, okay, let's just keep it simple. If she comes back to this 400 zone, okay, so if she comes back here, retest. Okay. Okay, if she comes back, let's just be patient and wait. And again, I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. You guys could obviously, you know, if you feel comfortable, if she comes back to a zone, pick your zone. You know, this is where I'm pulling the trigger at. Okay, this is where I feel comfortable, so that I'm not going to get in too much drawdown. Okay, this is where I feel comfortable. Her coming back up to the 3,400 zone. Okay, I feel comfortable with that. The 34,000 zone. I'm sorry. Okay, we should be 2-0. We should be 2-0. Here she comes. Here she comes, guys. Get ready. Get ready. We're at 985. Look at this over here. 989, 989, 988. Look at this right here. 991. Boom. We're in. Okay, we're monitoring it. We're about to get out. Let her drop. Come on, big drop. We can go in. Modify. Set it for 10 points. Boom, 3-0. 3-0, just like that, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Again, 5 to 10 points, that's all that we're getting. This is a US 30 scalp. We are not looking for her to move big points, because again, we know how she moves. She's making some bottom wicks here, okay, which obviously tells us that she's going to hit one of these zones. Okay, we're getting some momentum to the top side, but we're also getting we're getting buyers that come in as well. And we just want to be careful, because again, you know, we want to see where is she going to retest back up to. Okay, and again, let's look at something here. Okay, let's look at this fib here. Let's take this fib and let's look at, okay, if she came to this zone here, guess what, guys? She's coming back to the 34031, the 34031, okay, or even the 34050 area. Again, guys, like the 0.50, you guys see it right here? Look, if she bounced off here, she's going to come back up here or even here and come back down. Okay. So again, like, use the tools. This is why we're in the education that we are, so that we can learn these things. Okay, we obviously can't predict. We obviously, but we can analyze, and we can kind of determine where's she going to come up to. Okay, so again, like these long wicks are telling us, hey, be careful. Okay, be careful. All right. And again, I trade with the trend, but you are more than welcome to obviously take to definitely retest. You're definitely able to really go against the trend. Like for example, if you see her bouncing off of this area here, this 33,950, could you catch 10 points of her coming here and jumping up? Sure, you could. Again, it's just not what I do. I trade with the trend. Okay. So again, right here, you could take a buy. You could take a buy. If she comes down a little bit further, take a buy. Get your 10 points. Take your buy. Boom. 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 You would have been out. Again, I don't trade that way, but at the end of the day, if your analysis tells you that she's going to bounce off of that area, take your trade. Again, it's not what I do, but you're more than welcome to do what you do. All right. So again, guys, like understand this is scalping. Okay. Again, you would have been in and out on that trade if you would have done that. You would have been in profit. You would have taken 10 points right there. Okay. So again, like that's not how I trade. Again, one of the things that I'm really trying to teach you guys is find what works for you and be consistent in doing so. These are your rules. Establish your rules. Good job, Jose. Establish your rules. Okay. Once you establish your rules, stick to your rules. Okay. Stick to your rules and follow those rules. When you start getting away from your rules and you start, looking at what everybody else is doing, that's when you're not consistent. So get in. If you're a 3-point shooter, be consistent at shooting 3 points. Okay. There's no reason why you need to practice dunking the ball if you're a 3-point shooter. Okay. So again, one of the things we're reading is Naked Forex. Okay. Are you a runner or are you a gunner? And those that have got into the book understand what that means. Okay. So again, just finding your style, sticking to your style of trading. And I'm telling you, you do that consistently. Okay. We're never going to be perfect, but the more and more that we practice our strategy, the better that we will be. All right. So again, this is why I don't go against the trend, because she runs. Okay. So again, if you would have taken, hey, I'm going to bounce off of that. Look, she ran on you. Okay. So again, guys, hope this helps. Cool. Let's look for some more trades. All right. Let's get rid of this fib real quick. All right. Let's get rid of this fib. Okay. All right, guys. So here we go. I like this bank zone. I like this bank zone of 33,950, 33,950. I like this bank zone of 33,950. Okay. Let me see. To the left here, she's hitting some wicks right here. Okay. The top of this zone right here. Okay. This is a ceiling right here that's become a ceiling. Okay. To the left here. All right. To the left here. This has become a ceiling. She hasn't broken this. She came down and then she broke it right here. This was a candle that broke this zone, this green candle here. Okay. So now this is now going to become a ceiling. Okay. This is now going to become a ceiling. Okay. And she's going to retest off of it and continue to fall. So again, what I'm looking at is 938 or higher. 938 or higher. Let's go in for a sell. 938 or higher for a sell. Between 938 and 950. Okay. 938, 950. $928, $929, $927, 922, 24. 930, 38, 33, 27, 32, 'I want something that she hasn't touched. 38 is a good point. 34, 'okay, I want something she hasn't touched. 30, 33, 32, 34, she's touched those areas. I want her to spike up, and that's where I'm going to get in, okay? So I want to spike up. I want to spike. So 938 is my zone. 938. Here we go. Boom, I'm in. Get in again right there. I'm in. All right, so I'm in at 930 and 942. 942 is about to close. We're about to be 6-0 here in a second. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. And remember where I fibbed her at. Okay? Remember where I fibbed her at. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Come on, big drop. Yep, here we go. Get me out of that one. Boom. One done. One done. We want to be careful of this big wick here. We want to be careful of this big wick that she's going to reverse, and she's going to come up here and retest. So we just want to be careful of this big wick, okay? So let's just get out of this trade here. Come on, big drop. Big drop. Let's go, big drop. Come on, big drop. Big drop. All right, big drop. So here's the deal. In 30 seconds, I'm going for a sell. 30 seconds, I'm going for a sell. 30 seconds, I'm going for a sell. At the 950 area. Seven, 6, 5, 4. Boom, I'm in. And I'm out. If you took that, you should be out. You should have got out already. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm 6-0. I got one open right now. I'm waiting for her to fall a little bit further. I got one open right now. Waiting for her to fall a little bit further. It will be 7-0. 6-0 right now. What's everybody's record so far? Good job. Nice. And again, also look at where you're at. Look at where you're at as well. Again, don't over trade. Again, we may be looking at a reversal right here. Again, my goal is just to get out of this trade here, and let's just wait to see what this candle does. Because here's the deal, we have this big long wick. We have this big long wick. Okay, but we are getting sellers based off of this wick here. We are getting sellers in based off of this wick here. Okay. So again, if you like to take the reversal, if she comes down to this 33,900, okay, it could be an impulse move to the upside, and you can get your 10 points. Okay, if she comes down to this 33,900, it could be an impulse move to the upside for 10 points. All right, we need a fall. We're 6-0 right now. If she comes to the top of this wick, 960, I'm taking for a sell. 960, taking for a sell. I'm in. Again, guys, this is where we need to be careful. All right. So again, I'm about to get out of that. I'm about to get out of that here in a second. Big drop, big drop. I set it for 10, and I'm out. Boom, I'm out. 7-0, 7-0. Let's go. Let's go. 7-0 if you got in on that. 7-0 if you got in on that. Let's go. Let's go. I still have one open. She's coming down right now. She's coming down right now. I need her to come down. Again, guys, we also come into these sessions, we expect to win. Okay, we don't expect to lose. We don't doubt ourselves. We don't question ourselves. Boom. 8-0, guys. 8-0. We don't question ourselves. We don't doubt ourselves. We expect to win. Again, what did I tell you she was going to do, guys? She comes to that 33,900. She's going to have an impulse move to the upside. Look at all this traffic she needs to break. She's going to bounce off of that stuff. Okay? So again, 33,900. If you want to take the reversal, okay? If you want to take the reversal for 10, take it. Here she comes. 3,900. Okay? 3,900. 39,900. 900 right here. 900 right here. Okay? Take the impulse buy. 10 points. Hey, 900. 900. Take the impulse buy. 10 points. $900, take the impulse buy, 10 points. telling you guys, that impulse is no joke. That impulse is nice right there. Again, when you're scalping, this is how you can get in and out, guys. Again, like it's not how I trade. So again, as you trade more and more, you'll find your style and you'll become disciplined. Okay, if your style is going up and down and taking buys and sells, then do it. But again, I'm being disciplined in what I practice. All right, so again, here she comes. If you're going to take that impulse buy, 10 points, 900. Let her come down. Do not take her prematurely. 900, 900 or lower. 900 or lower. Boom, get in. 10 points, get in. Get in. Get in if you're gonna get in. Boom, you should be out. You should be out. You should be out. You should be out with 7 points. You should be out. I'm telling you here, if you're gonna take that impulse, don't look for that 10. Take 5, take 7. Like, you should have been out, honestly. Don't play around, especially when you're going against the trend. If you're going against the trend, take your 7 points. Take your 5 points and get out. Because again, look what she's going to do, guys. That's what I'm saying, like, she is ruthless. I'm telling you, you could have got 7 points if you did that. I didn't do it, okay? I personally did not do that. All right, so check this out. 33,900, 33,900, 33,900, 33,900, ceiling. Let's go. Actually, hold up. Anything higher than 879. $879 to 900. Here she comes. Get ready. 879 to 900. 879 to 900. Yeah, she came to 873. We would have already been in profit. 879 or higher. 879 or higher. And again, guys, like, the more and more that we do these sessions, I'm going to get a little bit more aggressive, okay? Because again, like, we're learning. We're going to start moving a little bit faster, okay? 879 or higher, 879 or higher. Why are you looking at that point, Gabe? Because right here, look, there's a floor right here. Why? Because the bottom of this candle here, okay? She came up, came down, shot up, okay? She's breaking that. So that's a ceiling. That's now a ceiling right here. That's now a ceiling, okay? So we want her to pull back above it and come back down, okay? Because we know that she doesn't ever just go to a location, she goes to a zone, okay? She trades in zones. She does not trade, they do not go to specific points. They go to zones, all right? So we got 5 minutes left on this candle here, okay? I still like that zone. Okay, I'm gonna move it a little bit more, right here. 865 or higher. 865 or higher. 865 for a retest. 865 for a retest, we're at 842. 865 for a retest. 849, 857, 865, 863, woohoo! Come get us. 863, come get us. Damn. 863, that was nice. We would have taken 5 points. But again, I want her to spike up to a zone she hasn't been. 865, 865, 865 is where I'm at. Woo! 865, we would have been, 863, we would have been in profit. $865, $865, $865. I like that. So again, yeah, I'm gonna stick with 865, guys. Because here's a wick right here, 857. You know, let's move it down. 857 to 865. 857. 857. 840. Here we go. 854. 855. Come up a little bit more. Damn you. Come on. Boom. I'm in. I'm in. And I'm out. Get in right now. Here she comes. She's about to drop. That's a nice zone right here, guys. And again, like I said, if you see her bouncing, get your 5-7 points and get out. Get your 5-7 points and get out and look for another trade. Okay? Get your 5 and 7 and get out. Hey, again, you're always looking at profit. Take your profits, guys. Do not get greedy or she will pull on you. Okay? Hey, here we go. We're about to be 9-0, 9-0, 9-0, 9-0. Let's go. Big drop. Boom. Let's go. Get me out. Boom. 9-0. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, so we got a minute. We got a minute on this candle. If she closes the low, it's 850. Okay, close the low, 50 at 15. Takes out. All right. Okay, so we got a minute. We're about to take this out. We're about to take this out. We're about to take this out, guys. Get ready. And again, keep in mind, I'm going to tell you something. This could be her reversal right here. This could be her reversal. Okay, this could be the reversal. All right? Look at all these touches. Look at this. Okay, what do you think she's going to do right here? Woo, woo, woo. Oh, man. We got 20 seconds. Take this out. Actually, you know what? Wait, don't do it. Because again, she's going to bounce up. She's gonna open. She's gonna open green. She's gonna open green. Don't take this out. Do not take this out. She's gonna open green. She's gonna open green. She's opening green. Don't take it. I told you. Look at this, guys. Look at all of this here. Look at all of this reversal right here. Look at that. We would have been in a drawdown. Okay? Let's see what she does. We got huge momentum. We got huge momentum to the downside. So what I like to do is I like to come up to this wick of this candle. All right. Right here. If she comes back up to 819, take her for a sell. 819, take her for a sell. $819 or higher, take for a sell. That was awesome. Okay, so again, look, we're looking at the ceiling. We're looking at the ceiling, and we're looking at this ceiling right here. 835. She can come up all the way to 835. Okay, she can come up to all the way to 835. All right. Couple more trades. Again, we're at 9-0 right now, guys. 9-0. Here she comes. We're looking at 819, 819, 819 or higher. If she comes back up to that wick, comes back up to this wick, let's go. We're at 800, 800. $795. Here's the deal, guys. If she comes to this 800, we're taking her for a sell. 800, sell. 800, sell. 800. Sell. She's about to break this and drop. I'm going to take a couple trades. 800 and sell. 800, sell. Right here. 800. We're looking at 800, sell. 792. 792. 792, come back up. 796. Boom, I'm in. I got 3 entries. 3 entries, guys. All right, we need big drop and then we're done. Big drop. This will put us at 12-0. Like I said, what did I say she was going to pull back to, guys? Okay? Again, understand where your ceilings are. Okay? Understand where your ceilings are. Let's get a big drop. Come on, big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Here we go. Good job. Here we go. Big drop. Big drop and we're done. 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 Let's go. Big drop and we're done. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop and we're done, guys. Take your profits. Big drop and we're done. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Get down there. Get down there right now. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Here we go. Big drop. Big drop. Here we go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Get down there. Big drop, big drop. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Get profits right here if you're still in. Get profits right here if you're in. Big drop, big drop. Big drop. Come on, big drop. Give me a big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Yes, sir. Boom. Let's go. 12-0, guys. 12-0. Let's go. Nice session. Amazing. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's go. How'd everybody do? How's everybody's record? What did everybody do today? How'd everybody go? How'd everybody do? Again, we talked about some great things today. We talked about, really, again, understanding your plan, understanding what your plan is. Like I said, guys, this could be a reversal. And again, why do you say that? Nice, 14-3. Good job, Jose. I like how you know where to get out, man. Good job. Again, check this out, guys. This could be a reversal here. Why? Look how many times, okay? Look how many times, okay? Look how many times that she's come to this level, all right? He was just there this morning. He was just there this morning, okay? Literally, look what she's done in the last 4 hours, guys. She literally came from right here. This is where she was at this morning. Look at this. Consolidated here all this morning, shot up all the way up here, came back down. And like I told you before, okay? Like I told you before, look at the day candle. Look at the day candles, okay? She has not broken this level since February 22nd. She has not been above this level, okay? This is what she did yesterday. She's now gonna come down, okay? So again, that's why we are taking sales, guys. Good job. Awesome job. Good job. So again, analyze what she's doing. Analyze where she's at. Okay? Let me give you something. Let me give you something, okay? On the hour. Look at this, guys. If she breaks this zone, she is coming down here. If she breaks this zone, and this is where you get into this is where you get into swing trading, and this is where you get into analyzing bigger trades, okay? This is a breakout. This is a breakout of a consolidation, okay? This is a breakout of a consolidation. If she breaks and closes in the next 5 minutes, she is going all the way down here, okay? So let me tell you, okay, you could take profit. You could take profit right here. This would kind of be your first take profit, 682. Your second take profit would be about 613. And your third take profit would be 503. So again, understand, there's nothing in front of her. There's none of this little mess right here. Look at this. She's going to go back down. Coming down here, guys. She's coming down here. And again, that's just how I look at it, and that's how I analyze it. When you get up on these 1 hour, this is what you can look at, okay? So find zones on the hour, find zones on the 4 hour, And again, those are your retest areas. And then you get down on the 15 and you trade those areas, okay? So again, look guys, she's bouncing off of this area, okay? She's about to break below, which says, bye-bye Charlie, we're going down. We're gonna complete this cup. We're gonna complete this cup here, okay? So again, guys, thank you guys so much. Again, keep plugging in. We have one more session this week. Tomorrow, we have had 0 losses this week, okay? We have had 0 losses. And again, understanding, okay, obviously, I have had 0 losses this week. Just again, I'm actually still in a trade from yesterday. Again, we took 12 trades yesterday. I'm actually about to close out 2 of those from yesterday that I'm still in, okay? Because again, it's risk management, guys. Do not over leverage, okay? I was able to take 12 trades today with 2 trades still open, okay? And I might just leave them open and let them ride down, all right? So again, like, don't over leverage. Understand exactly what your account is. Don't get greedy, and let's go. Awesome, thank you guys so much. And I'm going to get this up right away. A great session. We learned a lot. We did a lot of analysis today. Definitely naked Forex, stay in the book, really figure out what kind of trader you are, gunner, runner. Like I said, practice your shot. What is your shot? What are you good at? Okay, what type of trader are you? And find that style and practice it, practice it, practice it, practice it, practice it. Okay, and I'm telling you, you will become consistent, and your bank account and your trading account will become consistent. So again, guys, thanks so much. Appreciate you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Make it a great day. Make it a great day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.